changing environment. The
Just 1 minute.
man.
1 minute. Good morning once again to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Chalo.
morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Yes. What is changing life?
The man, women, children had started growing grains.
Hmm. That
Um,
is what. That is changing life because of the suitable atmosphere, right?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now we will see certain life, food, shelter, and clothing. What are we going to see today? Food, shelter, and clothing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैंने लड़का ने चेक बॉक्स में लिखा है that वकील सीरत फातिमा is a loser. ऐसे से
Who has written?
आरफा.
Please, girls, don't write again. Okay, girls.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
चलो. मुस्कान read बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Settled life, food, shelter, and clothing. Early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that
एक मिनट
agricultural.
एक मिनट बेटा. एक मिनट. There is lot of disturbance.
Ma'am, now it is any disturbance.
No, but previously it was lot of disturbance.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, now can I read?
Yes बेटा. हाँ बोलो.
Settled.
Brightness is very slow.
हाँ.
Ma'am, brightness is very slow in your phone.
Okay. Wait 1 minute. I'll present again. Okay. Okay. One minute हाँ बेटा. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब clear है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Forum, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm trying to increase the brightness. Net is working very slow.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read Mahadin? Ma'am.
Forum, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Forum, ma'am.
Forum, ma'am. Ma'am, network is slow. Forum, ma'am.
Forum, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, Forum, ma'am.
Ma'am has left.
Yes. God, this
Ma'am, maybe they have some network problems, so that's why.
yes, network was very slow.
Yes, you are right.
बेटा यस बेटा जस्ट अ मिनट कोई नेटवर्क इशू है तो आई वाज लेफ्ट फ्रॉम द मीटिंग
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ यू कैन लिसन मी
Yes,
प्रॉपर्ली
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
listen
Your
to
voice
you.
is clear.
it is clear okay okay now we were discussing about settled life right beta
Yes, ma'am.
yes settled life food shelter and clothing what is the topic that we are going to discuss in this
Food,
That's it, right.
shelter,
Food, shelter, and clothing.
and
yes
clothing.
absolutely right food shelter and clothing now what is shelter anyone knows
Shelter means air,
shelter means what
air.
કે આપણે જે ઘરમાં રહેતા હોય એને shelter કહેવાય okay
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear what is
Yes,
shelter
ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes sir?
ma'am, I was
We are
living
living
out
in house.
what shelter.
They called shelter.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Yes.
clear.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now we will see each topic one by one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, girls.
Ma'am.
Yes, Muskan. Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to
Settled
read
life,
one.
food, shelter, and clothing. Early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know agricultural land cannot be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water and crops have to harvested when grains are ready. This process led to beginning of settled life in India. He also started making earthen pots for the storage of grains. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a widespread change in their food habits, clothes, and shelter, along with wheat, barley, meat. They started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in houses made up of mud, thatch, and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stone, which included spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows us the places in India where grain, shelter, weapons, and remains of animals have been found.
Yes. So, what is settled life? Okay. Early life and pastoral activities. What is pastoral activities? Anyone knows?
Pastoral
Huh? Anyone knows?
What, ma'am?
What is the meaning of pastoral activities? You know, early
pastoral
man.
act-
Okay, so shall I say? Early man, he started making earthen pots. He started, storing his grains and in the earthen pots and all this. Activity kevaય pastoral activity. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. So early man, he start early life and the pastoral activities transfer primitive man's life into settled life. और कैसे life में transfer हुए?
Settled life.
यस सेटल लाइफ में उनकी वो सब कुछ ट्रांसफर हो चुका है बिकॉज नाउ ही हैड अंडरस्टूड कि हमें एक जगह पे रहना है वहाँ पे खाना बनाना है वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स की ध्यान रखना है राइट। हंटिंग करने के लिए हम दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं, बट हमें रहना एक ही जगह पे है। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने वहां पे एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट किया है। व्हाट वी हैव स्टार्टेड बेटा?
agriculture.
है ना। बाय एग्रीकल्चर हो तो क्यों एक जगह पे रहना पड़ेगा? हाँ, why we have to live at one place?
Because they will do agriculture.
हाँ,
एग्रीकल्चर भले ना उधर करे लेकिन घर पे ही रहेंगे.
what leads agriculture to people to stay at one place?
Ma'am, agriculture means where or farming.
No one knows the answer.
Ma'am, they have make a house means shelter, and they do agriculture at another place. So means they have to live in their house. Means on their shelter only
Why? But why?
because they have.
Also, can take care of
Because
everything.
agriculture requires complete attention. It requires the crops to grow. It requires, the process of the plants, to take care of the plants, to uh, to what to say, उसको बारिश की जरूरत है, वाटरिंग की जरूरत है, डोमेस्टिक हर्बीवरस एनिमल्स डोंट ईट अप, उसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। यस और नो?
Yes.
So this way agriculture
Yes,
is
ma'am.
important, right? Understood
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? हाँ. So
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
this way we know that agriculture land cannot be left out. Why? Because it takes some time for the crops to grow. It needs water. It needs and crops have to be harvested. When the grains are ready, उसको हार्वेस्ट, उसको निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट। जब ग्रेन्स रेडी हो जाएंगे उसको निकालना पड़ेगा, तो दिस प्रोसेस रिक्वायर्स टाइम। डू यू गेट माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
What you
Yes, ma'am.
understood say? What you understood say?
Means that they have make a house.
Why does agriculture? Okay, I'm questioning in Hindi. Okay, you answer me in English. Okay, agriculture के डेवलपमेंट के साथ why did men started living at one place? How did settled life start?
Because first they have made house, then in another place agriculture was started.
अरे नो बेटा।
Ma'am, can I say Aisha?
Yes, Aisha, you can say.
Ma'am, ma'am, they have to live there and agriculture because agriculture needs the personal time that herbivorous animals cannot eat it, and at the right time we have to cut down it needs rains, water, grains, and all the things like manufacturing, sunlight, and heat, and all the things it wants. So
Yeah,
that's why it's time. So in that only shelter they have to stay there.
very good, very good. So they have to stay at one place, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
So we know that agricultural land cannot be left out, and because of it, beta, because of
Ma'am,
it,
your
it takes
voice is
some
too slow.
mute. All of you mute your minds, then you'll be able to listen. We know that agricultural land cannot be left out because it takes some time for the crops to grow. It needs water, and crops have to be harvested. when grains are ready. Is it clear? This
Yes, ma'am, it
process,
is clear.
yes, now
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
this process led to the beginning of settled life in India. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, Modesa. Modesa is there? Yes, Insha.
Ma'am, can I read Maharin?
Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. First you answer me. Why in India? How did settled life start? Insha. Mary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say beta. How did settled life start?
Ma'am, it's the it because of agriculture. When
But
they stop searching the land, on that time they have to do some means agriculture needs some time and taking care of it. We have
why does it? What type of time does it take?
protect them.
Too much.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What type of time does it take?
ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
time.
please.
Huh? What type of time does it take, beta?
Ma'am, repeat,
Ma'am,
please.
maybe 1 year.
Huh?
Ma'am, maybe
1 hour.
1 year or a 4 months.
Yes, it requires time. You have to water the plants, you have to harvest the plants. એટલે આ બધો પ્રોસેસને ટાઈમ લાગવા માંડ્યો એટલે people started living at one place. What did they start, beta? They started living at one place, and this is how settled life started in India. Is it clear?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
started living in one place. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, may I revise this paragraph, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Early life pastoral activities transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that agricultural land can not be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water and crops to have been harvested when grains are ready. This process led to begin of a settled life in India. He also started making Crathern host ports of storage of grains. As the wandering life become as the wandering life become to an end, there was a whispered change in their food habits, clothes and shelter, clothes and shelter, along with wheat, barley, meat. They had started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in house made up made up of mud, thatch, and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stones which include spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows us the place in India
Flowing no
where
kehવાય,
grain
following. Flowing no kehવાય. શું કહેવાય?
following.
Following.
The
હા.
following table shows us the place in India where grains, shelter, weapons, or remains of animals have been found.
હા, તો everyone understood the above? Now we will see grains, settlements, weapons and animals. અને એ ક્યાં found છે? Okay? અને presently places કઈ છે? That. Okay? Yes, read beta one by one.
Yes, ma'am. Grain, settlements, weapons, and animals. Number one, wheat, barley, sheep, goat, stone implements. Place. Mer, Mergar,
Mehargarh.
Mehargarh, Presently in Pakistan.
Presently where it is? It is in Pakistan. Where it is?
In
In
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
okay. Yes.
We get information.
Number 2. Rice, bones of animals. Place. Kholdihava, Uttar Pradesh. Number 3. Rice, sheep, goat,
Good.
stone implements.
Stone implements
Mehargarh.
means what? Stone implements means what? એટલે કે પથ્થરના
Ma'am,
વેપન્સ બનાવતા હતા ને એ લોકો.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
That is stone implements.
Okay, ma'am. Mehargarh, Uttar Pradesh. Number 4. Human settlement, Rhino. Langan, L-
લંઘંજ.
Langan, Langanj, Gujarat. Number 5. Wheat, lentil, dog, wheat house, Bruj home, and goof, goof corral, Kashmir. Number 6. Buffalo,
ભુજ.
bull implements.
ચિરાડ.
Chirad, Bihar.
Yes, who was asking for permission?
Ma'am, can I read Sirat?
Yes, better read.
We get information about their human settlements and cattle rearings from places like Burchhom, Gufkral, Hurangi,
Huranji.
Huranji,
Very good.
Aisha.
Yes, better.
Okay, ma'am. I know Aisha. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I read?
Who is asking
Information
for the
about the
permission?
human settlements and cattle rearing from places like Pujhom, Gufkral, Ertang, Langna, and Bimbedka, which were discovered by archaeologists from places such as Merga and Iman Gyan. We even get information that houses and farming they used to grow grains like barley and bajra.
બાર્લી કહેવાય બાર્લી. Okay. Okay. So we get information about the human settlements and cattle rearing from places like Burjgham, Gurfakal, Hurangi, and Mehargarh. Apart from that, Langhaj and Bhimbakta. From places such as Mehargarh and Inamagom, we get information about their houses and farming. They used to grow grains like barley and bajra. Okay, so all these are places from where we get different types of information. What do we get, better?
Different types of information.
Yes, from the settlements that are found. Settlements એટલે કે જે remains હોય that are found. Remains કેવા કેવા found થયા છે? Grains, weapons, animals એ બધાના આ ટેબલમાં જોઈ શકાય છે ને? Copy down this table in your rough book.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy down fast.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one time.
Yes, only one time. One time.
Okay, ma'am.
The table लिखना है मैम one time.
Fast, fast.
मैम ये table लिखना है one time.
मेरी पेन.
मैम फॉर्म मैम.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम ये वाला जो टेबल स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है वो हमें लिखना है होमवर्क में वन
Yes,
टाइम.
yes बेटा.
ओके मैम.
मैम अभी लिखना है या फिर होमवर्क में?
Now write down.
मैम 1 minute. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट.
नो, राइट डाउन तो ही याद रहेगा, बाद में कोई लिखेगा नहीं।
मैम ये किस में लिखे?
रफ बुक में बेटा।
ओके, और बाद में मैम बुक में एक वन टाइम लिखना भी है ना, होमवर्क भी?
यस।
ओके मैम।
मैम ये फेसबुक में लिखने का है।
रफ बुक।
मैम टेबल ही लिखना है ना?
हम्म।
मैम क्या लिखना है?
Copy this table. This is very important to learn. Be fast, girls. Finish?
Ma'am, my work is done, Mahreen.
My work is done, Muskan. Ma'am, my work is done, Alina Kholi.
Yes, beta. One. Let us just complete.
Ma'am, my work is done, Multani Misbah.
Very good, Miss Ba.
Yes, Professor Malaysia.
Chalo, finish all of you. Then you have to show me from the screenshot, from the screen also, okay? Finish, girls. So, in short, what did we do today? We did settle life, food, shelter, and clothing. Apart from that, we saw about grains, where they are found. You can see in this picture also. What is this picture? Anyone knows? It is the picture of Mihargarh. What it is? This picture you can see. Can you see this picture? This is of Mehargarh, which is considered to be the oldest village in the ancient India. Okay? Where farming of barley and wheat started from here itself. They reared sheep and goat, and they even did farming. What did they do? Beta, farming and stored grains. ये देखो ये विलेज ऐसे थे पहले. Bones of animals have also been found here in Mehargarh, and they live in rectangular houses. Can you see the houses? Small vents. They have also found in these houses. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
No, girls, reply karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So we
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
what we did
Yes,
today. Yes. What we did today, we'll just have a quick revision. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Muskan, revise it better. Read it better.
Yes, ma'am. Settled life, food, shelter, and clothing. Early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that agricultural land cannot be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water and crops have to be harvested when grains are ready. This process led to the beginning of settled life in India. He also started making earthen pots for the storage of grains. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a widespread change in their food habits, clothes, and shelter. Along with wheat, barley, meat, they started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in houses made up of mud, thatch, and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stone, which included spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows
Spade,
us the place.
chisel and sickle are the name of farming implements. Okay, जिससे farming होता है.
Okay, ma'am. The following table shows us the places in India where grains, in shelter, weapons, and remains of animals have been found.
चलो, now till here.
No, ma'am, you have explained very nice, so no doubt.
Anyone any doubt? चलो, now you will show me. किसी को कोई doubt
Wendy,
नहीं?
tell
Anyone any doubt?
Ma'am, no, ma'am,
No,
no
no,
doubt.
ma'am. No,
No
ma'am. No
doubts.
doubt.
sure.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am. No
ma'am.
doubt.
Very
No,
sure.
ma'am. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
can I
ma'am.
show? Ma'am, I have written. Can I show?
Yes, yes,